listen to the tracks.
It ain't tricking if you got it, and I got it. It's so bad, I just wanna take a shot. I got it. Later on, hit the club and get it poppin'. Girl, I told you it ain't tricking if you got it. I got it, you got it. I got it, I don't want it. So bad, I wanna see you in the morning. I got it, so bad, I wanna see you when you moan. You can have whatever you want, 'cause baby, I got it. I got it. I got it. I got it. 'Cause baby, I got it. I got it. I got it. I got it. Hop up in the whip and get out of here. Let's go. I can turn your wrist to a chandelier. You can go where I go. I go where you won't go. Trips to Acapulco, probably 'cause I got dough.
Thank you guys for watching. Sorry I didn't have more for you this week. Figured I'd do a quick little garage video. It's raining like hell and I'm super busy this week. Just getting ready for my new career. I'm no longer with Hendrick Motorsports, and I had a good time there. I learned a lot. But I'm stoked to be moving on to work for PowerProbe, the automotive electronic diagnostic tool company, to be the new product development project manager. That's the path that I wanted to go down for a while now, and I'm really happy to be doing it for a company that I can use my automotive background in and really kill it for. Super excited about this opportunity, and it means more time and more stuff for the cars. So I'm going to be taking up a lot more media. I'm going to be in the actual automotive world again and for work again. So I'll be doing this all day. I'm very excited to be doing it. But I love these things. Whatever you guys think, if you think of something, put it in the comments. But I've got some really cool stuff coming out that I've got in the pipeline. But yeah, starting that Monday, and I got this tattoo Tuesday. It's of Hawk's Nest up in New York, because I'm from New York, and I'm pretty stoked about that. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. More next week. Oh, one more other thing. T-shirts were put on hold just during this little transition part of my life, but I'm going to go back right up to it, and we're going to be doing the run of those RX7 T-shirts very soon. So if you pre-ordered, you're going to get yours soon, and if you haven't, hit that link and go get yours now. See ya!